Hey guys, so today I am doing a full face drugstore makeup tutorial, showing you guys this makeup look right here. So yeah, it's just using a lot of products that I haven't used in a long time and a new eyeshadow palette, and just, I don't know, it's just really pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with priming my eyes. I'm gonna use my Profusion pigment base eyeshadow primer. I've got my baby here with me. So I have to do this with one hand because I don't want her to have to sit and cry while I do this. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to blend that out. Why did I do one eye? I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Ducare eyeshadow single and my Real Techniques shading brush just to set my inner corner to brow bone area. For eyeshadow, I got this new, well, new to me eyeshadow palette. This is the Covergirl Trunaked Desert Heat palette. It's really pretty, and I'm going to recreate a look that I saw Juicy Jazz do on her YouTube channel. It was really, really gorgeous. I'm going to use the AOA Studio E127 brush, and this color right here. It's hard to do this with one hand. And I'm going to just blend that in my crease. I'm going to go into the AOA Studio E130 brush and this warm shade right here, like a warm brown, and I'm going to add that in the crease as well, just to add some warmth. I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush and this white shimmer shade right here, and I'm just going to take a lot of that on the brush. Use some setting spray and just intensify that with my finger. Such a pretty white shimmery color. Then I'm going to move on to my face makeup. And I'm going to, I already primed my face with my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist, and now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Just the Cream Putty Primer. To prime my face and really smooth out my skin for foundation. And then I'm going to use a foundation that I used in my last video, and it completely blew me away. The LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I haven't used a matte foundation forever, and I used this and it was like so, it looked so gorgeous. It looked like I had just, it looked like I had a filter on my skin, and it just looked complete, it just looked so beautiful. So I wanted to use it again with my normal primers that I always use and see what it looks like. And the shade's actually not that bad because I'm really tan right now, and I just, from the summer, and I just wanted to test it out again and see how it is, because it looked so amazing. It was like the best my foundation had looked in a long time. So I'm just using it again and testing it out, and I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge for this. And then for concealer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And then I'm going to use my Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sun-Kissed. Haven't used this in a long time. I'm going to use my Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Berry Amore. I haven't used this in a long time either. It's really pretty. I just wanted to do a full face of products that I haven't used in a long time. Things I like forgot about and haven't used in a long time, and some new stuff. Then I'm going to use my Milani Baked Highlighter in Dulce Perla to highlight my face. To do my brows, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette in Neutral Brown, and just fill them in with that. And my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush. I'm just applying that first, that light white shimmery shade, and applying it in my inner corner. Curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler and apply my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Then I'm gonna use my LA Girl Shockwave Nude Lip Liner in Maple Glaze. And I'm just going to use that as my lipstick. Okay, so this is the completed makeup look. It's really pretty. It's kind of like monochromatic nude makeup look. I really like it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.